So how to create circular pattern in Solidworks software, I am going to explain you. So before going to start circular pattern, first which features you want to do pattern. So I need this one, circular, like C-bore, counter bore holes. So before going to start, first you have to select that features, go into linear pattern, open this. Inside linear pattern you will get circular pattern, click that options. So first of the options, it's written direction 1. So click that box. What is mean by direction 1? Either you can select any circular edges or circular surface. So I'll select that box. I'll select this circular surface. So I got it. Now how many holes you want? Suppose if you need 6, so you have to press 6. In case I need 4 only, so just click 4. And which, like if you want it equal spacing, you have to press equal. So how will get angle? 360 by 4, it will be 1990. Automatic they will calculate it, and press OK. In case if you want 6 hole, again click that features, go edit features and make it 6 and press OK. You will get 6 holes. But sometimes what happen, we don't want any 1 holes or 2 holes. So at that time what you can do, go click again edit features, go down, inside down, if you go there you will get one instance to skip. Click that options and see which option you don't want to be show, which one holes you don't want to show. Click that dotted. Once you click, it will be hidden. Once you press OK, you will get it, that hole will be not there. So thanks for watching.